All right, welcome everybody. Welcome to Slow Markets. I'm Coach Dakota, Coach DBA, and look who we got. We got my man, Braden. Braden, how are you?
I'm doing good, man. Back in the fundeds, going through the cycle of it. So I've got my funded accounts loaded up. I'm ready to go. I'm actually in a weird spot where I've got a couple I've got like 5 funded accounts now, and then I've also got 4 combines. Because like I was buying some combines and then I went into like my account and I realized that I had those reset credits that I always hear, talk about on air, but I never really understood what it was.
Yeah.
I still don't really know what it is, but more or less it was a free reset. So I took it. I have an extra 5 combines in my account. So nice. I am loaded up.
Absolutely love to hear it. Well, these markets are moving and I'm already up $1,300. So we opened up Slow Markets in the past 2 minutes. We popped up to these 638s and we're down 60 points. We're down quite a bit since there. So these markets I thought they was going to be a little bit slower tonight, but we're not. Like that's a 70-point move from high to low. And here we are hanging out around these 570s. So pretty good. Pretty good price action. I was a little bit hesitant. I was telling you when we messaging, like, hey, I don't know how long we're going to be on air tonight. It might be a little bit of a short one, depending on the price action. But, price action's relatively good right now. I'm going to break down a top-down analysis just real quick, and then we'll jump to it. If you see something, let me know. And sure enough, this pattern that I've been watching for the past few days, chat, you guys know, if you've been tuning into Slow Markets, what do you guys think of this pattern I've been looking at? I've been saying, hey, be aware of this. Pretty dang good, huh? The Dorito, yeah, it's on the daily chart. We came down, tested it, and we caught a bid right off of it. So, I mean, call it and then trade it are two different things, Braden. I don't know how many times I have called price action relatively accurate, but have failed to take advantage of it. It's very, very tilting to say the least. But before I get too far in depth, in the YouTube chat, there's our Topstep risk disclosure. Everything I do say, and you guys here on Topstep TV is for educational purposes only. Not financial advice, not a signals class. You know the drill. We're at the bottom of this Dorito, this consolidation pattern. The question is, do we break through it and maybe come down, test 29,000, maybe 29,100? Or do we rotate right back up to 30,000? That's what I'm looking at on the daily. Zoom in on the hourly chart. You can see that massive sell-off we had today during the New York session. I'm going into a long weekend. Wonder if there's some fear regarding, what the weekend is for. Escalation, maybe war, maybe some strikes, something dramatic that goes on over the weekend. Not sure, but we're getting this. Is this a pullback or is this a reversal? That's the $1 million question. But we bounced from 29,300 up to these 600, so about a 300-point bounce. We kind of are testing a interesting level of support and resistance right here at this 600 level. So I don't know. I'm okay with being neutral, maybe slightly bullish, looking for a little bit of a pullback. I'd love to see us go test 29,800s. It is Thursday night, Friday's price action. It's a holiday, so I'm not inclined to be just trading it up as a normal day, but the price action, if it calls for it, I'm still going to trade it. And real quick, on the 5-minute chart, you can see we opened up tonight's price action with a little bit of a gap here at 29,560s. We had a little rally, pulled back. That's where I got in long and where I made my $1,300. I'm not going to even ask for likes. That's where my trade was. We're getting that sell-off. We're getting that continuation. And rejecting these 620s. You can see we had support before. So lots of selling pressure up here at those 620s. Lots of volatility. Man. Wow. This is a volatile market tonight. what are we looking for, man? What's your thoughts?
Yeah, okay. So, I mean, we're seeing some aggressive selling into this hourly structure, and we didn't really see. It's hard because we closed pretty weak. I mean, we didn't really see a buying reaction until about 30 minutes into the close, and then a lot of that is bled into like the after hours, and then even into the overnight a little bit. So maybe lower volume kind of windows, but I would look to continue seeing this market go lower, just given the context of how aggressive selling was today and how weak we closed. It just, I mean, this level feels magnetic. That level being 29,300. That's our support on the hourly as of now, but I'm just seeing really strong selling price action coming into this level.
And I agree with you. We do have the markets closed, right? The equities. Obviously, the futures are still open. We're seeing it right now with this volatility. So, definitely being cautious. Everyone needs to be cautious. It's the weekend. You don't have to trade. We're seeing the price action tonight. I'm going to be more selective. I mean, look at this. 40 points up and then down and then up and then down. So the opportunity is here tonight. And yeah, what man, what a wild market. We got gold at 41.39. We're up $14, 0.3%. Crude oil hanging around 68.38. And that's about where we're at. I don't mind a short, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't either. It's tricky here. It's tricky here because this is a pretty major level on the hourly.
I'm going to take a short.
And okay, let's go.
I how many times do I just talk about something and just let it play out like that Dorito on the daily? I just want to see us break through these 50s, and maybe we could retest these 530s. But sorry, go ahead.
I agree. That's what I was getting around to saying. Like, I ultimately want to go short. It's just like pick your spot. It's going to be like, how do you get into it? Because we did see buying out of the close. This could just be a pullback on the 5 minute, the hourly. Maybe we go into the 600s, but I like the short ultimately, just about win.
Yeah. Or is this like the range and I just sold the bottom of the range?
It might be.
I'm not going to speak that one into existence. Oh, man.
I mean, today was incredibly bearish, really incredibly bearish. And
order rejected.
We didn't really see any strength.
Let's almost fat fingered a bigger position. Didn't want to do that. We're holding these 550s. I might add to this. I'll add a couple more right here. I'm short 559. Playing for a break.
Last night it sold off heavy in the first 10 to 15 minutes, and then it shot up relentlessly for an hour, going up 200 points.
There we go.
Who likes to do that?
There we go. 13 points. Looking for a little bit more. I'm looking for those 30s. This is settlement right here. Okay. All right.
Nice selling.
We not through the 40s yet. Man, look at this volatility here. I'm looking for those 30s. Can we see it? I'll get the music going. Whenever there's no music, I'm just like, man, it's quiet. And I wonder if my speakers are on or something. All right, rejected those 50s again. Come on, let's get through that. It's new session lows that we just made.
What the heck?
Oh yeah, we're on my charts. Sorry, chat. We're on my charts. There we go.
Your music is coming out of my interface, which I didn't even know this thing had an audio output.
Interesting. I don't have the music playing, do I? No, I don't.
What the heck? Here, let me mute myself for a second. Figure this out.
All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. No, we're not going to see any selling. We just broke session lows. I'm
All right,
looking for
let's
those.
go. What do we
30s.
got? What do we got? You're in it.
Yeah, I'm short 5 from 559. We made session lows, and sellers aren't seeing any continuation here. Settlement is basically these mid 50s. So this is, we tried to take a look below settlement, and we didn't get any follow through. Bottom of the hour in 17 minutes, 18 minutes. I still like this. Could be a choppy one. Let's get some music going. There we go. There we go.
I like it too. We've got a holiday tomorrow, half day into the New York session. Markets
Correct.
close early. You always wonder, like, can it make... Technically, I really like this daily candle to push back into the New York session lows, back into the 300s. But it's like, and anything can happen, but it's like, hey, it's a half day. Is it as realistic to look for that big of a move? It's not a huge move compared to what we saw today.
Correct. I mean, ACH, anything can happen. We've seen a lot of volatility lately. I mean, we're seeing a lot of volatility here tonight. And I was considering sizing up. Like, hey, you know what? I've been practicing. I've been trading well during the Asian session. Maybe get the first 1 or 2 trades out of the way, and then size up using the profits. I might just do that. If these markets provide the opportunity, though, right? Like, I need to see good price action first. Not what we're seeing here. This is turning out to be the range, and I sold the bottom of the range. All right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. We're ripping higher. Sheesh.
Get out.
I'm up 900 now. Positive 900.
It's a good way to look at it, man. A lot of traders, I think I would sometimes say I'm down. Like, you're still up on the session. That's great.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta look at it that way.
First trade out of the Asian session is out of the way. Yeah. Yeah, 0.2 to the positive. Are we going to rally now?
Crazy move.
Maybe. I might look for a breakout now. I'm a breakout trader, so we didn't break out to the long side, and buyers just stepped right in. So I might watch this and see if we could go test those 640s. And we're trying. What a market. Look at this volatility.
Crazy.
Sheesh.
Maybe into these 580s, I look for a bit of a buy. It's hard. I mean, we've seen we're pretty rotational here. To the top, to the bottom, to the top.
It's range trade right here.
And look at it. Yeah.
Maybe we go right back down?
I mean, I think this is setting up to be pretty wild here. We'll see.
Bottom of the hour in 14 minutes.
Doing what markets are designed to do, and they're enticing, right?
Yeah.
Definitely want to take a trade.
Yeah, I mean, since we opened tonight's price action, we ran the session highs, then we ran the session lows, and now we were right back up right around 600. Now it looks like we might sell off.
I'm trying to get in just beneath 570 at the lower end of this range. See if I can catch the
Long or
top.
short?
Long.
Looking to play the range. That's probably the better thing to do.
Damn.
I'd be looking for a long with you if we could break above 620s, but
Why does your balance only say 2.1K if you're trading on a 50K XFA? I don't really know the answer to that question. I had some red days on it. That might be kind of what you're looking at.
XFAs start with 0.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's up, but a couple red days.
We're not going any direction right now. Market does not want to hold above 600.
Yeah, this is maybe this is the holiday trading that we stay away from. It's volatile, but it's choppy and undirectional.
Correct. Yeah, but it could be just a range trade, something small, trading small, right? Trading small. Don't want to ruin your holiday by taking a huge loss. Just like we were saying, not expecting too much from tonight's price action. Had a nice short week. Any fun plans over the holidays for you?
Let's see, what are we doing? We're yeah, just getting together with the grandparents and like grilling. Nothing. Maybe get some fireworks. What about you?
Yeah, fireworks. Yep.
I've skipped out on them the past couple years. I'm like, life's too short, man, to skip out on fireworks.
Yeah, why you skip out on some fireworks? I mean, I don't want to be the guy that's like, oh, once you've seen some fireworks, you've seen them all. But what I like is, I love the drone shows.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, some of the drone shows are pretty cool. What they could do with the drones, like they attach like fireworks to them and program them for like a little bit of a show.
Attach those that firework that you light the end of it, and it shoots out of the tube.
Yeah.
I'll put it on a drone.
Those Roman candles go.
Yes. What's Dow up to? I mean, if we want to take a buy, let's look at this market. I know in Power Hour was hitting all-time highs. The Dow is up here, even in the overnight.
Dow's just straight up, man. Dow's been
right here.
The strong market.
All-time highs.
Yeah.
Right now.
Well, you could say rotation out of tech to that. People selling their technology and buying up the Dow.
It's pretty crazy. It's pretty dramatic how different they are at the moment.
Yeah, sometimes they're correlated, sometimes they're not. I'm one that I don't personally really trade correlation, to be honest.
Never seems to work out whenever I try to do that either.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not against it. It's just I don't want to say I'm not good enough to do it, but I don't have enough experience, and yeah, it's just not for me personally. But I see a lot of success. Traders trading correlation.
Yeah, I mean, it was hitting whenever it being able to identify quick. Whenever crude started correlating in Q, that was solid. For now, it's not as correlated, but that definitely works in the moment a lot.
Yeah. All right, buyers trying to come back into the NASDAQ. I tell you what, man, longs are tempting.
Maybe it's best to wait until we break out of this range.
Yeah, we got the bottom of the hour in 9 minutes, and Yeah, let's just see. Let's see. Hands on butts. Honestly, sometimes I think to myself after I take losses, because I was up last night. I gave way too much of it back during the New York session. And some days I'm like, I would rather just lose money with this market selling off looking for longs. And it's like, okay, if the market just continues to sell off, I take a loss. And I don't know. I'm not prone to the emotions that traders go through.
Impossible to be, right? That's what makes it so damn hard.
Maybe we go
I
back
was throwing
down.
around like 1 or 2 micros, in fact, and you know, during Topstep TV this morning, or I guess in the afternoon, I was like, wow, there's no emotion right here at all. Like I really don't care about this trade, win or lose. But as soon as you start going up in size, I think for me, it's important that you know your number. I think anything over, and I constantly trade over this amount, but I'm generally anything over like 5 micros is hard not to get emotional about. If I'm in it and I'm having to like sit through drawdown, now I can scale up to, you know, however much I'm willing to, as long as I'm protecting the risk and I'm like break even if I'm trying to scale into a winner.
Okay.
But if I have to sit through drawdown, like 5 micros is kind of as much as I can like actually handle like emotion, like with no emotion. And then you start getting emotional whenever you put more size on.
Yeah, and the more for me, it's like the volatility of the market, right? Because I was having this conversation yesterday, I think with Jay, where I was okay with like 30 minis 2 years ago. And 30 minis 2 years ago is honestly very similar to like 5 minis today, where, oh, we might move 10 points in 30 minutes. Now we just watched it. NASDAQ's moving 30 points in a blink of an eye. So volatility does have a big factor on my size, and I would say like what you're referring to, like emotions. 5 micros was nothing 2 years ago. Like 5 micros, we might move 10 points here or there. Now, like you said, 5 micros, this market can move 100 points if you step away from the charts, and that's $1,000.
Yeah. It's crazy. We had 100-point ATR on the 5-minute in the early stages of the New York session, past 8 a.m. That the ATR on a 5-minute, so 5-minute candles range was 100 points on average. So exactly like you said, like 5 minutes of trading and you're dealing with 100-point swings.
Yeah. So I love this. Dakota, I saw you throw your mouse on live TV when the trade went the other way. You had 1 tick to hit the take. Oh man, I was so upset. I was in such a great trade, and we was 1 tick of my take profit. Or what? No, what happened? No, it was like it barely hit my stop loss, and then after it touched it, literally, it just touched my stop loss, and I was out. And then a news event hit or a tweet, and the market just dumped like 100 or 200 points. Seconds after.
You have that's on Topstep TV on like Instagram, I think.
Yeah. It was just like, oh, it's so frustrating. I mean, you can't plan for it, right? Like I'm not going to be able to plan for like a tweet or a news event, but yeah, those things happen. I still get emotional. It was crazy. I didn't like throw my mouse, but it's like I just like tossed it, just a little bit, like a few inches.
What's the go-to? Like throwing the keyboard or the mouse? I think the mouse.
Oh yeah, because mouse is in your hand already.
Yeah, it's like a baseball.
Ugh. It's looking like we
Throw
might...
the mouse accidentally get filled five minis once it lands on the ground. That could happen.
Yeah. I fat fingered 10 G's one time on air. I was on air with Rips, and it was like a stream takeover. I don't know what was going on. I was trading micros, and I was trading like up to 15 micros. And when I either logged in or refreshed, it went from micros to minis, and I didn't realize I was in minis, and I freaking, yep. Next thing I know, I was in 15 minis, and then I blink, and it was like, oops.
Crazy.
Daily DLL. And it was like instant, right?
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, when you get into 15 minis, I feel like you're immediately down $200 or $300, depending on what the spread is, what the slippage is. Probably more than that.
Yeah, here comes the
Cost of
sellers.
business. Yep.
Yeah, we might now break those lows.
This is where I wanted to get in earlier, but I mean, now that we've rejected the high again, do I like it as much?
Chat, I wasn't wrong. I was just early. Yeah, that's how it is. Never wrong, just early.
What does it say to the quality of it now, Dakota? Like, now that we've rejected 620 again, does that help a little
No,
bit?
I think the longer we stay in the range, it's harder for me. I don't like it. It's still just hands off.
Yeah.
Because we could be ranging all night, right? It could be violently then changed. We got the bottom of the hour in a minute and a half.
Order filled.
All right.
I'm trying to short here. Trying to short here at 568. I'll look for that same breakdown idea.
Yeah, buyers don't want this over 600, so shorts are looking very tempting here. Bottom of the hour in 30 seconds, so we're gonna find out. Let's see if we get a move, maybe a breakdown. I can't see this thing break into the long side right now. It's really heavy.
Yeah, and then also today was really heavy. I tend to think that's going to continue. We did see some kind of short covering or some buying strength into the close, but it really didn't combat the day we had. It was a really bearish day. And that wick is very, very much fillable, I would think. It's 350 to
Order
it's 200
filled.
points. 200 points.
Yeah.
All right, I'm in 4 here.
Okay.
Love to see these candles start to kind of expand into this open range beneath 540.
Well, let's see if we could if we hold these 40s, or if we break the session lows. They're going to be interesting. Yeah, see, buyers just holding it up. We don't have a lot of momentum to the downside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I look back too, like if I'm looking at the 5 minute, if this range wants to continue holding, we've seen in the past that this market breaks the low by about 10 points and then it'll rotate all the way back up. Breaks it about 10 points, rotate all the way back up. So we'll see. If you start to see some strength, you kind of I would start to expect that it can hold the range and be wonky and make those big rotations back to the top.
Well, we broke the low by like 5 points. So let's see if we now rotate back up. Let's see if we get those buyers back in here. Come on, buyers. Oh, no, you're short. You're short. You're short. Okay, never mind.
No, you're good.
Never mind.
I'm short. I might get stopped out, but at least I'm kind of acknowledging what I just said, which was, hey, this can you got to accept the risk on it. But I was like, hey, this can rotate back up because we've just been breaking the low and then rotating back up.
Yeah, we broke the
I
low.
kind of
and
like
now
where I'm at because I'm short from the
back
top of the 5-minute breakdown candle. If you'll see that entry, like I'm short at the very top of it. So this candle would have to flip and then break higher.
Yeah, so there's the break
I
of
like
the low.
where I'm at.
And now it looks like we're going to rotate right back up.
Yep.
Yeah, good call.
Did that.
Great call. It's like you've traded this before.
Yeah, that's something I've been trying to play around with a little bit more. Is like whenever I see ranges, and then if we notice that when price action breaks one side of it just briefly, it'll just kind of barely go. And then if buyers or sellers aren't fully committed to making the strong directional move, it'll just kind of break and then rotate back up.
Yeah, I might just buy this, man, because I don't see any selling anymore. So we might just rotate back up.
Or this is just a brief retest. It's hard to know for sure. I like where I'm at though on the 5-minute. I'm risking $12 on it. I'm at the top of the breakdown candle on the 5-minute if it wants to play out.
Oh, man, buyers are just so freaking strong though. Is this a buying opportunity? Maybe.
I don't like it right now for a buy. I'm not gonna lie.
No?
Not yet. Not yet. I think we snap through 30s. I think there's a better price to be had if you want to get long.
You don't think they can defend these
I could
40s
be wrong,
again?
though. Yeah, I mean, if we hold 30s again here, maybe, but like we came right back up, tested that structure, rejected it, and now we're right back into the lows. I just think we probably snap a little lower first.
What would you look at for what's your target on this short?
Just the 20s, the 500s, just through there. I don't really know exactly where I want it, but I do know I want to be parceling out into the break beneath 520s.
Okay.
So that's kind of where I'm looking for.
Buyers trying to hold these, man.
Yeah. Maybe we hold this double bottom here.
Because this is settlement for the NASDAQ. Yeah, right here, right now. Yeah, I know there's a lot of selling pressure. Just
break these 30s right now.
Are you still short here?
Yep. Short for like another 20 or 30 points.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay.
Maybe 20 points. I might chicken out.
Additional 20 points from here. All right. Buyers still trying to defend this level. Back up to 50. Nah, man, these freaking buyers.
Yeah, I'll probably stop at break even here.
Order filled.
Nothing on it.
This could be just like switch to a practice or a demo account, and
It's not a bad idea.
yeah, I know buyers are too freaking strong here.
I checked on gold, and gold was kind of moving a little bit. Gold's attempting the 5-minute structure here at 157. This is where you start to browse a little bit after Inky's playing like this. Really rangy.
Yeah, this is a tough one, man. It's very volatile, but not directional.
I know, it's one piece of the two-piece formula.
Yeah, it's range bound. Like you called it, man. We tick those session lows and then we just bounce. A lot of nothing.
Back into the range.
Yeah, maybe we get back up to 600 here. Yeah.
This is pinball action right here. Total pinball.
Almost feels like it's a holiday, right?
But it's like it's pretty good though if like you have the idea about it. This is a 70-point move off the lows almost. Wow.
There's the 600s.
Is this gonna break out?
Order filled.
All right, I'll try a long breakout here through 600.
All right, I was gonna say, do we fade this back down to settlement? This could be that.
Oh my.
Yeah, this honestly, it's range trade right now. It's a holiday range trade, back and forth, back and forth. Lord says 7K on the live account tonight. Let's go. Nice work.
I was fooled by the.
Order filled.
I perceived momentum there, and I was fooled. Totally fooled.
Yeah, I'm not gonna trust any directional move at all.
Yeah.
And let's get some hashtag slow markets. Let's get some hashtag slow markets. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get me a practice account set up here. See if I can get me a practice account. Maybe try range trading this. I could see just range trade. 600 to be the line in the sand. Let's get some hashtag slow markets.
Order filled.
Try to build another long here at 572.
There you go. There it is in the chat. In the chat. Let's see some hashtag slow markets. I can see us popping back up to test 600 again.
I could too.
Order filled.
Got a little bit more now. I'm in 10 now.
Okay. looking good. If we get back above 76, I think we can hit that 600 pretty easily. This is settlement. We didn't get back above 76. We're gonna come back down and test these lows, these 540s, or are we gonna just bounce from here?
It doesn't look good. I think we might break down right here.
Order filled.
I'm out.
All right,
We
yeah,
might
that's
break down right here.
range trade,
I
man.
might try to
It's
play the momentum, to be honest.
just a rough
Yeah.
range trade.
Order filled.
As soon as we get out, we're gonna pop back on 600 day
We'll
market.
see. I'm trying it one more time here.
Okay, okay.
I like this momentum into the lows here.
All right, man.
If I die, I die.
If I die, I die.
Order rejected.
All right, here we go. Come on. Why is it so volatile? It's been volatile. We're just not really going directional. It's been range. Chop. Lots of chop right now. Yeah, I have a hard time trusting any move.
Order
This is
filled.
settlement. This is settlement right here in the NASDAQ. I'm not surprised, and we shouldn't be surprised on a holiday slow session that NASDAQ hangs around settlement. I don't mind a little plus or minus, right? We've seen plus 0.2 at settlement, plus 0.15. So maybe we can see like a minus 0.1%, which is down there at those like 520s.
Order rejected.
There we go. There we go.
Go.
See if we can get it.
Make it under 40 here.
Right back down to these lows.
See if we can get the break under 30 here. This looks good. This looks good.
Yeah, this is looking a lot better than it was. Let's flush it here.
$31. Well, we broke the low by 3 points. Let's see.
No, we broke the low by like a point.
1 point.
1 point. If it pops from here, just hang it up, man. We might just hang it up.
Hit Loki.
Look, you just hang it up. Call it a weekend. We broke session lows by a point.
brother.
You gotta be. That's
filled.
disgusting.
Yeah, that's good. That's insane.
Wow.
We'll call. Let's call it, bro.
Let's call it. Let's call it. We've seen some price action. Honestly, expecting this kind of price action. Correct. Green on the screen. Green on the screen.
Yep.
So nothing crazy. And yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, any fun plans like he's talking about? You got fireworks this weekend. Go touch grass. Nothing too insane. Did you take a look at the leaderboard? The new, what do they call it? Octagon here at Topstep.
No, I haven't checked that out.
Have you heard what it was or what it is?
Some type of challenge, right? With bonuses for the live traders. It sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. So let me summarize it here for you, and then if anybody's tuning in that's new and watching, but Topstep, let me get that. I'll just pull it up right here. Give me just a second. Let me just pull it up. Oh, come on. Give me a second. You just Topstep Octagon. There we go. So what it is, I mean, if you've been tuning in Topstep TV, you know, but this is what I'm kind of excited about. I'm going to be honest. I don't think I'm going to be making the leaderboard with the way that I've been trading, just ups and downs, not going through something too crazy, but $100,000 for first place every single month. So the number one live leader in P&L, you get a bonus of $100,000, and that's every month. So at the end of the month, it resets. Everyone starts from scratch, and whoever has the highest P&L of the live accounts get $100,000. Total $250,000 of bonuses. But they added this. Here's what it is. This is what the leaders are at right now. So you could do a replay for this month. We just have 2 days, right? So you can kind of see the P&Ls of those traders. And man, Topstep has some amazing traders here. You could see the top trader, Franklin, 30,000, and it's only day 2.
Wow.
Number 2, second place, 30,000, and so between first and second, it's only $30. So yeah, there's the leaderboard. 10th place is 12,000, and they're still locking in $5,000. So you're still getting $5,000 for 10th, and it's scaled all the way to the top 100 places, which is great. Let me double check. I might have what the bonuses is all the way down to 100th place. So give me a second, and I could tell you.
Yeah, that's awesome. So bonuses on top of, that's profit that they're making, that they can take out too.
Yeah. Okay, here it is. From 11th to 25th, $750. From 26th to 50, $500, and then 51st to 100, you get 125 each. So I mean, I don't want to say free money, right? Because that just sounds too cheesy and just too out there. But you're just trading your live account as you normally would, and at the end of the month, depending on your ranking, you just get a nice
Order
bonus.
filled.
That's awesome.
What do I hear?
I'm just in a little filler trade here. Short.
Okay. Like a scholarship, like it's an incentive, right? It helps answer the question, why trade a live account? Like, what's the benefit of a live account? And this is a great benefit for a live account. But yeah, I got my live account. I've had some positive. I've given some profit back up. I don't know. We'll see where I'm at.
Wow, this is playing out quick.
Just fade the moves. There we go.
Is it see profit, take profit, or do I try to hold for this move back into the 30s?
Let's get it. Let's see. I mean, this is settlement, man. This like I lean towards see profit, take profit in this market.
Order filled.
And yeah, I just can't get in anything worth holding for like longer than a second. So
There
rough.
we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Well,
Happy
this price
4th of July,
action
chat.
is exactly what that is. Chop, messy. Enjoy your long weekend, man. Thanks for hopping on here for a little bit while we just see what the market was going to do just to finish up. And yeah, any last words before we end it?
None for me, man. Y'all enjoy the long weekend. Enjoy your holidays. And I will see y'all next week.
There you go. Take care, everybody. Bye.